Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Numbers on your iPad and choose a template or a blank spreadsheet to begin. Use the on-screen keyboard or the numeric keypad in the toolbar to enter numbers and text. Tap a cell to edit it and press Return to confirm each entry. To insert rows or columns, tap a row or column header and choose Add Row or Add Column from the contextual menu. Rename your sheet by tapping the Sheet tab and typing a descriptive name. Begin any calculation by tapping a cell and typing equals to start a formula. Use built-in functions such as SUM, average, and count for quick results. Reference cells using addresses like A1, B2, and C3 for precise calculations. Tap and drag the fill handle to copy formulas across rows or down columns. Apply formatting in the Format panel to show 2 decimal places, currency with dollar, or percentages with percent for clear numeric displays. Select the cells you want to visualize and tap Chart to insert a bar, line, or pie chart. Customize chart styles, labels, and axis formatting in the Format panel for clear presentation. Use iCloud to enable real-time collaboration with other editors on the same sheet. Export your workbook to Excel, XLSX, or save as a PDF for sharing outside of Apple apps. Share via AirDrop mail or copy a collaborator link to invite editing access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.